Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to install WhatsApp on an Android phone. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you gotta find your Google Play Store. Okay, tap on it, wait for it to load. Now, gotta use the search function at the bottom. Now, at the top right, you have the search bar. Just tap on it. Now, start typing WhatsApp. Okay, WhatsApp. There you go. Now you can go and tap on Find or tap on the search results right here. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, all you got to do is just tap on Install. Wait for the process to finish. And then once that's done, go ahead and open it up. If not, you can find the app icon from your app section right here, tap and hold, and move it to your home section. In my case, I'm going to move it under social media right here. And once done, you can tap on open and just log in. If not automatically logged in. And there you have it. That's how simple it is to install WhatsApp app on an Android phone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.